my headlamp. Yep, it is working. First time I've used my new GoPro camera. So I'm hoping I got a good angle on my head here. We are got about 20-25 mile an hour winds. So on this little lake in Hayden, Idaho. So we're gonna go out and we're just gonna kind of see what kind of fun we can have in this heavy air. There's another wave out here, so we'll see how that goes. All right, so here we go. But make sure this is, I always have a Type 4 throwable with a whistle on it. I have a whistle on my life jacket and have little safety equipment, and off we go. Here we go. It's gonna be fun. Put my feet under the hiking strap, scoot my butt up to the edge, and we're gonna see what we got here. See a dark patch of wind coming, and I'm gonna get blasted, so I am gonna turn right here. Nice. Just have a little fun. I'm gonna head downwind here. Do a nice tack. Swing around, keep my weight on the leeward for a minute. Come around, come through, and get a little speed. Trying to get my foot under that strap. See what we got here. Just got a little headed there. There we go. Alrighty, I'm gonna head downwind. See how we're doing here. Look back here, a little gust of wind coming. Here it comes. Come on, get over here. Oh, have to just wait. Hang out a little bit, maybe get the tails flying. A little harder to get perfect sail shape on a wave when... There we go. Alright, gotta do a nice jibe. Pull my sail in. Come around. Up. Back out. Now that's you pull the sail in and swing her around. So you can pull it in, turn, and then let it back out. Not as fast, it's better to sheet in as you're turning. But what I like to do is called throwing the main. And we're gonna try that. I'm gonna turn up a little bit, see, get my tails flowing a little bit. Yeah, here comes a gust. People say, my wife asked me if it was too windy. Ha ha ha. That's really funny. Yep. Wow, that was a major shift of wind there. Just went totally changed from a new direction. Just gonna kind of hang out in the back here, wait for this wind to decide what it wants to do. We're gonna jibe anyways. Like this. Grab the main, pull it across. There we go. Alright, put my feet back under the straps so I can hang my butt off the edge of the boat. We'll go see what they're doing over here. Alright, weight back. Nice, we got a little white capping on here. See that back there? White capping. I got these people out here are brand new to sailing. I'm quite impressed. They went out today. Need to head upwind a little bit. I'm gonna go get that. stuff the valves down there, so I'm going at a more reaching angle. Gonna go in kind of a quiet area. To know those when to attack. Now we'll do it. That's better. A little better speed to get through the turn. It's a really fun wind. Water's pretty warm, which really makes it that. I'm gonna kind of just lightly cruise over here. You can see the little puffs of wind coming across. Hey guys, are you having fun?
Can we take her?
Yeah, up on board here. Before it blows off. Here's that. And that.
There's a couple water bottles and a hat, but it's not that.
Oh, is it out there somewhere?
Yeah.
I see your water bottle, but
Yeah.
Sorry about your hat. Oh,
yeah, just going upwind, just sheet it in, watch your tails. You don't have to pull it in very much to get going. I guess we can always go down and get the water bottle. Yeah, it's a lot of wind. He's a brave soul. It's just figuring out how to do your angles. And let me pull that out from under you. Okay. You want me to take you up to the dock? The nice thing about these boats is they're pretty safe, so they're, pretty buoyant. It just seems kind of crazy when the winds are strong.
Yeah.
Get into the turn here. I had another family say, I wonder if I should come out today. I said, it's all based on what you think is your skill level.
Yeah. Well, we have failed before.
There he goes. I'm kind of in a dead area here. That can be kind of a little scary when you're not, it's called heavy weather sailing.
Yeah.
Where did my wind go? It's like, come on, come back. Yeah, just sheet her in and, sail upwind. You're sailing upwind, so. Wow, I was expecting this. Now we have a nice, relaxing sail. There's a cartoon and it's in Oh, it has that Viking guy. It's in the newspaper. They have these little cartoons. And the guy says, why'd you take up sailing? Oh, relaxation. And they're out in the middle of a big storm. And the guy asks him questions about these big eyes. It's like, yeah. Alright. Yeah, I saw all this wind and I went, oh, I'm gonna go sailing.
Yeah.
My daughter's coming down a little bit. It's kind of like the fire alarm goes up, ding, 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 and everyone goes, wind. Now it's just gotten really light here. See how he's doing. There he goes. Trying to get some flow with a puff of wind. It's just, you know, it's all about just you're in control, you know, and to get to that point, it just takes practice.
I think his reflexes just aren't there yet. I love him too. Probably gonna get mad at me. But
Well, what's really hard right now, man, it's just really shifting around a lot. I thought the wind would be stronger down here, but it's stronger up there. So just kind of wait. Are you wife?
fiance.
Fiance. That didn't change for today, right?
No, I'm not upset with him. No, I got scared because I got stuck under it for a minute.
Oh.